How to activate Silicon Valley Bank's credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can activate Silicon Valley Bank's credit card. So the first thing you want to do is go to any web browser on a mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar simply search for activate Silicon Valley Bank card. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to click on the first link, which is svvconnect.com, and it will say credit card registration online banking. Simply click on this link right over here. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be basically provided with two options in order to register for your credit card or activate it. Now the first option is, if you are new to Silicon Valley Bank's online banking account, you'll have to tap on the option register. But if you already have a Silicon Valley Bank's online banking account, you can simply sign into your account and then activate the credit card from there. So once you tap on sign in, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you will be logged into your Silicon Valley Bank's online banking account, and then you will be able to activate your credit card from there. But in case you don't have an online banking account, you can simply register for online banking account by tapping the option register. After that, you'll have to enter your Silicon Valley Bank's credit card number over here. After that, your CVV, which will usually be on the back side of your credit card. After that, search for the expiration date on your credit card and then enter it over here. Now once you've done that, enter your email address over here. Once you tap on the option next, you'll have to create a user ID for your Silicon Valley Bank and finally your card preference. Now once you've done that, you'll have successfully activated your Silicon Valley Bank's credit card. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.